Hello, everybody. This is a article I found on Medium. It's a question of what are the highest paying programming languages for 2017. As we all know, trading's moving into an era where coding is going to be a necessity. We've talked about different programming languages multiple times over, but which ones are the highest paying for 2017? So the stats come in from a website called TIOBE, TIOBE, as well as GitHub. So here on GitHub, you have the top languages for pull requests, and right without no question, is JavaScript, then Java, Python, Ruby, PHP, then C++. Then you get CSS, C#, and C, Go. So easily the top five are the ones I've already mentioned. Oh, I forgot about PHP, and there's number 5. All right, so when you look at the TOBE report, what are the most popular languages ranking for, I believe it is this year, from January 2017. Java is up. It represents 17.3%, down negative 4.1. C is 9.3, negative, it's down 6.69 for the year. C++ is 6.3 at down 0.61, followed by Python at 3.5, and then obviously Visual Basic, .NET, surprisingly. It's all legacy stuff that we need to factor in, but out of all the newer languages, definitely Python is the one among the top 5. So the top 10 highest paying languages is SQL or SQL, where you're looking at Oracle, NoSQL, as well as Microsoft SQL Server, $80,000. C# is at $89,000, and that's the last Microsoft technology you'll find on this list. Then it's followed by JavaScript at $92,000. R is still fairly paying well at $99,000. C is $100,000. Perl, which is pretty well a dying language, and a lot of people don't like it. Again, it's only legacy. If you stay focused on this, you're pretty well stuck in this language. It's $100,000. C++ is still doing fairly well. It's evolving. It's $102,000. Then we get into Python, which is used by Google and NASA as well, and other things. As I said, it's in the top 5 languages. So it's $105,000, and that's a senior developer. Now, when you get into Objective-C, oddly enough, for iOS languages, you are able to make $108,000 to $110,000. So that's for the Apple world. I'm surprised that you don't find Go in there. I mean, Go is noted, but it's not in the top 10, top 5 for a mobile language. I guess it's because of Java, which is number 1, and a lot of the Android's still done in Java. I know that's why they're trying to bring out Go, but with Java, one of the big reasons why it's still popular is for Android development, and the ranges for salary is $74,000 to $130,000. So it says here, it is worth noting that recruiting employees with several years of experience in Java programming more and more often take place during hackathons organized by companies. So right now my strategy is in Java for the Dukas copy. It's just one example of many. And for high frequency trading, C++ is without a doubt the choice. Looking at the CPPCon with the sponsors, with a lot of big financial, Morgan Stanley and Bloomberg sponsoring it. So there's a huge movement in that, as well as Python. So I think those are your 2 languages if you're going to stay in the world of trading as a career. And Java's pretty popular in that field too. But again, as I noted, when you look at the Microsoft technology, it's only C# at number 9. So it's pretty evident that it's more lucrative to be in the Linux world and non-Microsoft and non-Windows world. Hopefully that'll help you out later.